The tools and the technology that's offered at Penske is industry leading.
Our technology is second to none. Trucks are coming out new every year. Something new is on the truck every year. We get the technology first, and then we get the training to the technology and ensure we know how to use it correctly.
You're an early tech starting out. You will be getting the preventive maintenance tools to be able to perform your job properly. 104. Yes.
One of the cool tools that we have is called the Talkman device. It's a headset that we wear and we can talk to while we're doing preventative maintenance inspections. It makes it a lot more efficient and streamlined.
We have specialized tools for our preventive maintenance process that actually works in conjunction with our Talkman. So we pressurize the fuel system a certain way. We pressurize the coolant system a certain way. We check the tires a certain way.
We have our diagnostics tablets that we can hook up to the trucks. It'll bring up everything that's going on with the truck. It's not just like your basic analog diagnostic tool to where it just shows a code. It's like a full map of what that truck's been through.
As a technician at Penske, you're going to be supported by technology that not only takes into account all the trucks that we have in our fleet, all the information that is coming through those portals, but that it's going to be the most cutting edge, and it's going to be developed by Penske for Penske so that we can best serve our customers' needs.
We're working on this new thing called augmented reality. It's virtual reality. You put on a mask, they're able to train on the spot.
They keep everything up to date, everything maintained. So when you think about working for Penske, you can think of all the tools they're going to provide for you. It's just going to make your life as a diesel technician easier.